people. Quick little announcement. We found the names of all these creatures, things, humans, whatever they're called. We don't know what the fuck they're called. Yeah, let's get right into it. So, we have the sun. There's red sun, this red sky, whatever you call it. Immediately don't look at it. If it sees you, at least more than 1 billion monsters see you. Doesn't sound like makes any sense, but yeah. Any red sky you see, immediately hide and take shelter, because that can't kill you. And monsters can come to your location at least faster than a train, a moving train. One of the fastest trains in the world. Yeah, 100 miles per hour. Things very fast. Now let's talk about monsters. Just regular monsters. Regular monsters, they can't do anything if they're not in your area. If they're out of the bounds, you're fine. You just have to run. Don't worry, some of them can't see you. If you're just standing there, it can't see you. And no eyes, you don't see any eyes, it can't see you. You should be fine. But the mouth opens, and it sees you. Now, how do you escape this? Well, if you're not close by it, like a dumbass would be, you should be able to run away, because those monsters are called background monsters. They're not hostile. Actually, no, they're not hostile. A little bit. They won't kill you. Just run as fast as you can and try to get somewhere else. They are not fast as the other monsters. The other monsters we will show right now. Alright, here are one of the monsters we have pictures of. Barely. I think there might be more. But yeah, so these monsters are very big monsters. Like huge. They can't be like 2 feet tall or like 2 humans tall. That's not big enough. They have to be huge. This one doesn't sound huge, but it's very hostile. It's in the zone, in your zone, exactly zone. Now, the only way to really escape it is to hide. Now, these monsters are stupid. Really damn stupid. So, if you just hide in the obvious spot, not in a corner, just anywhere he can't see you. Like in a closet, in a pantry, anywhere, you should be fine, because the monster's dumb. But very, very huge monsters hide behind it. Hide sideways, hide so I can't see you, hide behind a wall. Now these monsters can't see through walls. They can see from buildings. They can have good eyesight, but they can't see through the wall. So if you see one of these big monsters, just remember, hide behind a wall, should be fine. But if the sky turns yellow, or red, or any color it shouldn't be, hide under the stairs. Now, people don't hide under the stairs, it's fine, just hide under them. In your basement, and then in your bathroom. They cannot find you. Anyways, we're going to talk about hostile yeeps.
Now, the last one is a hostile yeep. Well, you can see on the left or right, is you're dumb, I don't know, there should be just a normal yeep. On the other side, there's a black yeep. Now, if you see any yeep that's not supposed to be peach or pink or blue, run. Just run. You have to run. That yeep is the power of the whole monster thing. As it sees you, the huge monsters that we last talking about can find you. Empty can't kill you. But if you see any other color, red is danger. He can kill you fast. What you do, don't move. If you see a red monster, don't move. Don't move. Now the sky might turn red. You don't do anything. Just don't move. As the sky sees you, don't move. It might think you're a statue. The sky red is dumb too. Well, depends. If you're alone and you're not by empty and he walks away, the sky don't care about you. Yeah. But other monsters might, so once the sky turns back to normal, empty's gone, you can run. That's probably the best way. Please stay alive, and make sure they don't kill you. We've lost many yeeps, so we don't want to lose any more. Goodbye, yeeps.